Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to run AutoGPT, so an AI powered agent from a web browser without any code and without downloading Python to your PC or Mac computer. So if you want to run AutoGPT from your web browser, one of the best websites currently out there is Cognosis, so it's cognosis.ai. I will also link it in the description below. And once you open up this website, you have to create a free account by clicking onto agent here, then add an email address that you can use to create a cognosis.ai account. And once you have signed up for a cognosis.ai account, all you have to do is you will see the screen here, and then you have to add a name to your agent. So let's add a name to this agent, to this autonomous AI agent. So let's add AutoGPT. Then we have to add an objective here. So I added the following objective: write us a blog post on how to make money with Bitcoin. Use the top 5 search results in Google to create an outline to this article. Then use that outline to write an SEO optimized blog post. Then you can also turn on search mode. So if you, for instance, you want to create a blog post that also uses information available in live websites, then I would highly recommend to turn on the search mode. Then all you have to do is click on start here, and the AutoGPT agent will create tasks from your objective, and it will go through and implement those and complete those tasks, as you can see here. So click on start. When I first started this, it didn't run, so you might have to click on start again if you see any kind of error here. So as you can see, first it's thinking, and it will create separate tasks for the AutoGPT agent to reach this objective. And I have edited out the video so I can show you the complete results. So as you can see, it has created a couple of tasks. So first it created the task, find the top 5 search results in Google for how to make money with Bitcoin. Then it also created a second task called analyze the top 5 search results and create an outline for the blog post. Then write an intro, a main body, and a conclusion for the blog post. And last but not least, combine the introduction, the main body, and conclusion to form the complete blog post. And it has exactly done that. So it has gone through all these tasks and implemented it. So first it has completed the Google search. So it has searched Google for how to make money with Bitcoin. Then it has analyzed the first 5 search results. So as you can see, it has used articles from CoinDesk, Forbes, Investopedia, BlockGeeks, and Coin Central. Then it has created a full SEO optimized outline based on those articles. So it has created an intro, then several paragraphs or sections on how to make money with Bitcoin. So buying and holding Bitcoin, trading the markets, cryptocurrency mining, becoming a consultant, network marketing opportunities, and so on and so forth. Then it has written a blog post intro on how to make money with Bitcoin, then created the paragraphs it has come up with in the outline, and it has also written a conclusion. Of course, as you can see, the paragraphs are a little bit short, but in another objective you can fine-tune your objective by adding that write a blog post that is like 2000 word long, and then it will complete the objective based on your target input. So as you can see, it has written a quite good blog post. It also used sources. So all in all, this is how to use AutoGPT in a web browser without any code. So this is a completely no-code solution. You don't have to use Python. You don't have to type any code to your command prompt, and you can use this website for absolutely free. So again, it's cognosis.ai. I will link it in the description below. So have fun using AutoGPT in your web browser.